Convertible high chair and child's table. I'm taking it to the dump, but I want to save the design features because I don't think I've ever seen a high chair quite like this. I think my grandfather made it. This flips like this. Here's the locking mechanism to keep it locked as a high chair. A little bit rough on that. I think I might design that differently. But then it flips down. And it's lost but that is a table that used to be at that height. And then it has wheels where it can roll. Of course, it's since broken. But that's the concept. The bottom, the base of the high chair then becomes the table. So look at some of the hardware here. Hinges right there. Wheels here and here. It looks like the actual arm of the chair. I'm not sure if you cut that out of maybe a single 2x10 or else you bent it. Okay, this originally had another half that went on it. What else would I need to know? The center here looks like just a closet draw dowel. Keep the kid in there. It has a kick out footrest that probably wouldn't be necessary. Looks like he just has it hinged with wood screws. I'm trying to think. This just looks like an old piece of plywood. And that's it.